Good morning traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday the 29th of September. Alright, taking a look at yesterday's market, we had data come out of Europe where we saw the German prelim CPI number come in on forecast at 0.3%, and also the Spanish flash CPI number also on forecast at 3.5%. From the US, we also had GDP numbers coming in at 2.1%, slightly under the forecast, and unemployment claims was on the positive side with 204,000 claims, which was lower than the forecasted of 214. Biggest mover overnight, Aussie dollar bouncing back off the 63.40 region. So it's found some buyers in that zone, but that was pretty much the major talking point for yesterday. So let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the CAD Swiss on a daily timescale. Now, if you have a look at this, I'm quite zoomed out at the moment. I'll zoom in a moment. But the market has previously come to this level and bounced down. It is there again now, and the question is, can it again act as some type of resistance? Now, if I extend this line out, we can see that there's possibly even another point there as well. Let me zoom in now and focus on that hot zone that I've marked. Give me 1 second there. All right, now this is the two candles that I've marked. The little one is this morning's candle, okay, which is only around about an hour into formation. If I look at these two candles here, this already is a reversal pattern. This is what we call, it's like a railroad pattern where there's two candles. Basically, one candle goes up in one direction. Say the market comes up from here, you produce that candle, and then immediately next to it you produce a candle in the opposite color. So let me just try and color that in just to give it an example, and it looks like a railroad track. Okay, when that happens, as soon as the next candle opens, basically the theory is that we traded in this direction. Now that has already occurred, and it has occurred at that level which I've already flagged out, so that increases the probability. So on this one we are sellers straight away. Okay, so that's where the market is right now. So if this fits your criteria, well then feel free to go ahead as well. But this is our chart of the day this morning. We are sellers on the CAD Swiss on a daily timescale. There you have it. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, we have data at 10:30 p.m. tonight from Canada, GDP number due out there. Also at 10:30 from the US, we have the core PCE price index number, and the last bit of data for the week happens at midnight Sydney time, and it's the revised UOM consumer sentiment number. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you not on Monday because it's a public holiday, but I'll speak to you on Tuesday for the daily call. Bye for now.